The camp we planned this year is called Created to Create. We wanted to show the children that as they are growing and developing in technology and computers, it's important to remember that we as people were created by God, and God has programmed us to create, to do good things, to help others, and to communicate. Robotics and 3D modeling classes are part of modern technology. First, many children are still unfamiliar with this field. Second, they often see it on the internet and are eager to create it themselves. The thing I remember most about today is that you came to visit us. We sang together and you gave us beautiful keychains. During the camp, we've been giving the children Lego bricks. It's their reward for good behavior at workshops, good discipline, and victories in games. We give them the Lego pieces, but we don't tell them what to build. They don't receive any instructions. And today, we are giving them the final pieces along with the instruction manual. Through this, we want to show the children that even without instructions, they can still create something of their own. But in order to build what the creator originally intended, they need the instructions. We also want to convey to the children that without instructions we can still move forward, but it's better when we have instructions to follow. That way, we have fewer problems and make fewer mistakes. This is the message we want to convey, moving from Lego instructions to the Bible's instructions, and showing that the mission has been accomplished. The camp is called Created to Create. When kids build robots, they are creating something entirely new. We work with instructions, but the kids can also add their own creativity and initiative. The same goes for 3D graphics. Robic from Superbook, Robotics, and the name of the camp, Created to Create, all come together beautifully. I like Jesus. He's awesome. He always teaches me new lessons. I learned that it's not enough just to protect yourself. Sometimes you have to make a sacrifice for others. No one can live in this world alone. And sometimes one person's sacrifice can save many. I really like David. He bravely defeated Goliath. His strength came from God because he trusted him. We also work with the Superbook program, which is very well designed. All the materials are well organized and run smoothly, making our job as coordinators much easier. Superbook has had a significant impact on the work we do. Your visit was a great support to us. It truly meant a lot. And Robic's appearance felt like he had stepped right out of the screen and into real life. I think for the kids, this will create the impression that the next time they see Robic, they will see him differently, since they have already met him before.